Hey honeybees, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Sierra, and I do videos on finance and lifestyle. So today's video is going to be how to make money online, or more ways to make money online. Right now, things are dire. People are losing jobs, people are getting their hours cut, and people are just kind of stuck in the house bored. So I thought I would do this video to share with you guys more ways that you can make money online, develop new streams of income, and learn how to sustain yourself during times of crisis. It's all online. For those of you who don't know, I am a full-time mortgage loan officer. I work 100% online from home, as well as I do YouTube. So I am very familiar with making money online, as that's how I provide for myself. So I thought I would share with you guys some more ways that you too can make money online. So if you are needing a little bit of extra money during these times, you'll definitely want to watch this video, so stay tuned. Skillshare is an online learning community. You can take classes about everything from photography to web development, entrepreneurship, marketing. It's not just boring rote classes, it's actually geared for real life. So you can learn real life skills about a wide variety of topics. So one class I've been interested in and am taking is a class called Simple Productivity: How to Accomplish More with less. I am taking this class because even though I work a lot and I'm fairly productive, I found that quarantine has made me a little bit less focused. It's harder to focus. I'm in the house a lot more, and I just need to tighten up on my productivity and find new ways to be even more productive. So I am super excited about this class, and so far I'm learning a ton. And what's great about Skillshare is that it's curated specifically for learning, so you don't have to worry about ads, and they're always adding new premium classes. And y'all know I love this. It's less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. So definitely check out Skillshare. I will leave the link below. The first 1,000 of my subscribers to click on the link below will get a free 2-month trial of Skillshare Premium membership. So thank you so much to Skillshare. Now let's get into it. So one cool way to make money online is to test beauty products. Yes, you can actually get free beauty products. I mean, you essentially get to live the life of a beauty influencer by trying out products, and you can review anything from mascara to sunscreen from brands such as L'Oreal, Maybelline, and so forth. And you can get paid in cash or in more products. So you can rent out your clothes. You can create your own Rent the Runway with a site called Rent My Wardrobe. And if it freaks you out to have someone renting your clothes, know that the renters are required to drop off the clothes at the dry cleaner before returning them. And of course you can sell things online. I want to tell you guys about one that I have personally used a ton. It's called Mercari. It's more of like a flea market style app. It puts a focus on average people rather than power sellers or retailers. It's honestly really designed just to make selling really easy and to give great deals to people who want to buy. So you just download the app. I've sold a lot of like planner stuff, fashion items. It's really nice because they actually create the shipping label for you. All you have to do once you've sold something is package it and drop it in the mail, and then you get paid. So this is a great way to earn money online. Anyone can sell, and you can actually list in minutes. I used to do everything directly from my phone. Just snap a picture and add a description and you can post it. The listings are free, and there's just a flat 10% selling fee once you've sold the product. And what's great is there is no contact. You don't meet up with anyone. You just print the shipping label and ship it. And they have really great stuff on this app. They have new stuff, used stuff. There's over 150,000 items for men, women, kids, home, crafts, fashion, everything you can think of. And there's free shipping on millions of items. There's also a money back guarantee. So if you don't receive your item as described, you can send it back. And what I really like is that there is 24-hour customer support, which is awesome. Mercari is free to download, which y'all know I love free. and it's available on iOS and Android. You can use my link down below to download it for yourself. Mercari has actually also sponsored this video, but I have been using Mercari for years. So this is something that I would have already included in the video, and I hope that you guys will be able to take advantage of it. Okay, so I know a lot of you during quarantine are trying to get fit and get in shape. So there's actually an app, it's called Gym Packed. It will pay you for working out. So really it's just supposed to motivate you to stick with your workouts, and every time you work out, you actually get money, which is crazy because if you're gonna work out anyway, you might as well make money, right? That's an easy way to make money online or through an app, is just by sticking with your workouts and you're getting in shape. So another way to make money online, easy money, is to actually open a high interest yield savings account. And technically this can also be a checking account. I have a checking account where I receive a monthly dividend just for having my account open. So I receive a percentage of the amount of money I have in my checking account every month. So I get free money monthly. And that's just from having a bank account and from using e-statements and from doing everything online. I will link below my bank if you guys are interested, but it's not national. So I will try to find some other resources for you guys, and I'll put it in the description box below. Okay, so this may not apply to everyone, but if you're diabetic, you can get cash back for unused diabetic test strips, and they will pay you up to $30 for your unused diabetic test strips. So all you do is drop them in the mail, super easy. And they mail you a check in 2 to 8 business days. So you get your money fairly quickly. Another way to make some easy money online is to get rid of your gift cards. So if you tend to get gift cards for holidays, from friends or family, for whatever, maybe it's a gift card you really won't use, you can actually sell your gift card on cardpool.com or cardcash.com, and I will leave that link below. They will accept gift cards even down to like $3.34, and they will give you cash in return. So if you didn't know, you can actually get paid to watch YouTube videos, watch movie previews, and there's sites like Swagbucks that they'll actually pay you to watch certain videos and to like them. So the deal is that you have to watch for a certain number of minutes, which they will tell you ahead of time. And you could actually earn over $200 a month. And the earnings vary, but if you have a lot of time on your hands, then you can likely make more money. Also, you get $5 just for signing up. So how about that? That's like some real free money for you. So while we're talking about selling things, I want to remind you guys too that you can also sell your electronics. So there's sites like Gazelle where you can sell like an old iPhone or things like that. And it's specifically important now, I think, because we're all trying to reduce our contact with other people and going out and going to businesses. So if you choose to sell an old phone or an electronic, all you have to do is print out the shipping label and drop it in the mail, and then they will send you a check. Oh my gosh, this is a great way to get money back, and this is actually through a site called Rakuten. I know a lot of you guys have heard of it, and I've talked about it in other videos. I just got a check today for $1,472.40. Yes, I know all of that. I literally have made such good money by doing this because I make cash back on all my purchases. If you're gonna shop online anyway, especially during the pandemic when we're not shopping at malls and retailers, you might as well make money back off of it. So you get a percentage for each retailer you shop online, and it just adds up, and every few months they will send you a check for your cash back. So this is literally the easiest way to make money. Online focus groups are a great way to make money now, especially since people don't want to be in focus groups with other people, making contact with them. So you can actually do online focus groups, and that is a great way to make some money online. The site is called Pro Opinion. I'll leave the link below. Okay, study credit card offers. So another way to make money online absolutely effortlessly is by getting a credit card that has rewards or cash back. There's one that I've talked about a lot, and it's the Discover Secured card. Even if you don't have great credit, you can actually get it as a secured card, meaning that you put a deposit in for a line of credit, but you get cash back on everything you spend for the first year, and then after that you get cash back on certain kinds of purchases. They will match how much you spend for 1 year, and you get that cash back actually every month. So it's a great deal. You can actually build your credit, you can strengthen your credit, and you get free money back. Just make sure you're being responsible and you're not overspending and you're paying your bill on time if you're going to use it. So another way that you can make money online is to get money back instantly for stuff that you've already bought. So there's a site, it's called Paribus. Paribus is a service that lets you find out if stores that you've shopped online at owe you a refund. It's free to sign up, and Paribus actually connects to your email to check receipts. And if they find out that a retailer has dropped the price of something, they will file a price adjustment claim for you. And it actually works with a huge number of merchants that you probably already shop with, like Walmart and Costco, Target, Best Buy, Apple's, Kohl's, and a bunch more. So there are a few apps that you can download and install that will allow you to get some free money as well, and you get paid each month for just having these apps installed on your phone. So one of them is called Shop Tracker. You'll answer a few questions and then you launch the app on your device, and then they instantly give you $3. Then you keep the app on your phone and you will be able to earn money every month. And you can get this free money because the app helps them to understand what people are buying online from different companies. Another one is called Nielsen Mobile Panel, and you can earn up to $50 a year. It's from the same people that do the Nielsen's ratings, like the TV ratings, and they will give you money just for having the app on your phone. Another way you can make money, I know y'all are gonna absolutely hate this one, right? So you can make money by rating pizzas.
A bitch wet? How?
See, listen. There are many companies that will actually pay you for rating local pizza shops. You rate the place on the quality of their pizza, and you just note the delivery time. And for this, you get a free pizza plus $5. So all you have to do to get started is register on a site. It's called TrendSource. I will leave the link below. Another easy way to make money online is to change your search engine online. So if you make Bing your default search engine, you can earn as much as $5 to $10 a month. And all you have to do is stay signed in every time you perform a search. Just make sure that you're signed in. Another way to make great money online is to become an online travel agent. So this is something that may not be as lucrative right now during the pandemic, but you can bet as soon as things go back to normal, travel is going to surge. Becoming an online travel agent is something that could be super, super lucrative for you. So if you're wanting to get into this, you can actually get started on WikiHow, and that will give you tips on how to get started, and I will leave that link below. Another great way to make money is associate marketing. So if you have a blog or YouTube or Instagram or anything like that, there's a ton of different affiliate programs you can join, but the most lucrative is Amazon affiliates, which is awesome. I do that. I get money for that every month. I know lots of people who get money from it every month. I know people who make thousands a month just from Amazon affiliates, and you don't have to have a large audience in order to do that either. You can also make money off Google AdSense, of course. So if you're doing YouTube or you have a blog or anything like that, make sure that you are putting ads in because you can get paid. And if you are a teacher, you can actually sell your lesson plans. So I know that a lot of teachers right now are working from home or working online, or maybe they're not working at all, may need extra money. So if you're a teacher, you can sell your lesson plans online. There's a market, it's called Teachers Pay Teachers. It's a market of educators where you can sell and share your teaching resources. Okay, another way to make great easy money online is to getting paid for playing games. Another one you guys are going to absolutely hate, right? So if you are an arcade or a poker champion, you can play some of your favorite puzzles or card games at a site called Inbox Dollars. And let's just be honest, it's fun, but you can play for free as well as compete for rewards and get paid. They will pay you through check, gift card, or PayPal deposit. So another way to make money is by examining search engines. On a site called LeapForce, you can actually evaluate search engines and you can get paid to provide feedback on their usage and their relevance. Another great way to make money online is to maintain fan pages. You can get paid to manage fan pages on sites like Twitter or Facebook. Fan pages on sites like Twitter and Facebook require people to connect with them. And you can bet that most people who have fan pages have someone to do this. So if you are interested in doing this and getting paid to do it, you can actually go to fiverr.com to snag a job maintaining a fan page. So you can actually get paid for fixing Google's mistakes. So sites like Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc., they will pay you for fixing their search results. And doing this, you can actually earn $12 an hour. So there's some sites that you can go through to do this. That's going to be LeapForce, Lionbridge, and Appen, and I will link those below. Another interesting way to make money is by renting out your parking space. You can actually do this like if you don't use your parking space, and especially if you're in a high traffic area, you could do this by renting it out on Craigslist. You can also make money by renting out your sports gear. So you can rent your bike, cycle, snow sports, or any other gear. And the site that you can use to do this is called Spinlister. This may be a little bit trickier during this time, so you may want to do this once things go back to normal, or if you do this, then you just want to make sure that you're being really safe and disinfecting everything. But this is a really easy way to make some money for gear that you may not be using and it's just lying around. Another great way to make money online is to sell your books, and you can do this online through a site called Book Scouter. Now that the school year is ending, I know a lot of people are going to be selling books, and with the situation we're in now, doing this in person is pretty difficult or unsafe. So definitely try to do this online, and it's a great way to make some extra money. I definitely did this in college, and I'm so glad that I did it, because there's books that you may keep after college, but then a lot of them you're not going to need. So definitely make some easy money off of them now if you can. A really easy way to make money is by selling your junk mail. So if you're like me, I hate junk mail and I always throw it in the trash, but you can actually make money from it. The Small Business Knowledge Center, it's a market research company, and they will take your junk mail and your email junk mail, and they will give you a prepaid Visa card in exchange for it. So those are just some fun, creative, and unique ways for you guys to make some quick bucks online during the pandemic. If you learned something new that you did not know before, I want you to do something for me, and that's hit the thumbs up button, as well as make sure you are subscribed. That lets me know that you guys like the content and I should make more, or if I shouldn't make more. So if you learned something and you like this and you want more, please do hit the thumbs up button, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button for notification of my next video. Comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you to the bank and back, and I will see you in my next video.